Silver against US dollar this week has risen in value, but first of all the price has dropped down. You can see the start of the week started with this strong bearish candle indicating further decline in value, but we can see that has been invalidated with the next day where the price formed a bullish breakout and then the price continued to rise in value. Then on the fourth day the price formed a bullish breakout indicating further rise in value, but on the Friday the price is invalidated that bullish breakout. This is a valid one, so we can see how the prices behave. So currently we have a weekly time frame as indecision candle with the larger wick on the lower side, a little smaller on the upper side, but it is indecision candle on the weekly time frame where the price could not make its way in any of the directions. A monthly time frame currently shows me that we have a monthly bullish candle, but we have 2 more weeks until this month closes, so I will pay attention to the daily time frame, which is much more clear how the price will behave and which direction could go. First of all, this is a bearish breakout on the Friday indicating further decline in value, where I'm expecting that the price will try to reach again this area of support around 30.00. If we go though to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we are currently have been touching this area of support at 30.20, and we can see the price reach at 30.12 for the 2 times, so we'll see how the price will behave. First of all, I am waiting for the price to make a bearish breakout below this one, because we have a daily time frame suggesting further decline down, but there is a potential that the price could return back up, just testing the previous support, now acting as a resistance and further decline in value. Will that happen? We can see that 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame are showing that there is a potential that the price could return back up, reaching this area of resistance, then bouncing back down, but we'll see. First of all, the price needs to make a bearish breakout below 30.20 in order to go to the 20.97, which is around 30.00. I have mentioned here earlier. So 4-hour time frame currently shows me a bullish pin bar format here at this support level, indicating further rise in value. So this will be on a small scale that the price will return back up. So this is something that I'm expecting, but especially I need to see a bullish breakout above this area of resistance in order to rise in value. So for now I'm waiting on the 4-hour time, on a 1-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, it is showing me that there is a potential to move higher. The daily time frame currently shows me move down. So I will pay attention to this. Weekly it is indecision, so everything is still open. So how the price will behave, we will see on a Monday. But for now I'm waiting outside and waiting up for the bullish or bearish breakout. If you would like also to receive intraday updates, like I have shared with the traders on a Friday and also all days in the week, inside the premium analysis, I also share with the traders when I'm expecting that the price will drop down, and then when the breakout happens, for example like this, it was a bearish engulfing candle suggested for a decline down. This was the first target, this was the second target. So the traders have been notified about this move, so they could also enter here, targeting first of all this one here and the second one here. If you would like to receive this notification, feel free to check also the premium analysis, so you are informed on time. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.